Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Gershon here with our next word work video. I'm going to go through our list of words and we're going to be listening to see if we can hear a pattern as I go through and say each of the words for you. Again, we're going to start right here at the word wave and we're going to work our way down. So we have wave, steep, grind, dry, school, scene, pool. Up back at the top we have sold, glow, tone, sneak, crow, jail, drew, way. In our last column, bleed, hold, clue, slide, bind, soak, light, and feast. This week we are reviewing, if you could hear from the sounds that you were hearing while I was reading that, we're reviewing long vowels. Now you heard me say review because we have seen all of these ways on how to make long vowel sounds. The words are new, the long vowel sounds and the way we make them are not. So we have a couple different ways that we make the long vowel sound. We can make the long vowel sound with a consonant, sorry about that, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. Such as in the word grind, we have the R, which is a consonant, I, N, D. I being the vowel and then the ND being the two consonants at the end. That's making the I say its own name, grind. We also see that in the word light. We have a consonant in the beginning, then we have a vowel, and then we have a GH. Now we know IGH makes the long I sound. I'm looking here just to see if I can see another one that does not have an I in it. That is a CVCC. Nope, I do not see one, but I do see another long I sound with CVCC, but we're going to see if we can get you to find that when you do your sort. The next way that we make vowel sounds, and this one is, I think, very familiar to you folks, we have consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. Like in the word sneak, here right in the middle, we see the E, the A together, and that's going to make the E say its own name. Two vowels go walking. The first one does the talking. Also, we see that in the word school, you have your double O, pool, double O again. Down here in the bottom right-hand corner, we have feast. You have your EA. So we have a bunch of vowels that have a vowel together that make the long vowel sound. That one's really pretty familiar to us. You also have, let's see here, C, V, C, E. This one is probably the most popular and the one that we can identify the easiest. This is when we have a vowel in the middle of a word and then we have an E on the end. Such as in the word tone, right up here, we have O-N-E, that's making the O say its own name. Scene over here on the left, that's like a scene in a movie. You have your E-N-E. And then the word slide over here on the right-hand side, you have your I-D-E. There might be a couple more in there, so we'll see if you can put those in the correct sort. Now this last one is tricky. So we have CV with just a vowel at the end, or CVV with two vowels at the end. This is all going to go under one category. Now these are words that end with vowels primarily, but really they end with a vowel sound. There is no consonant sound after. Now this one, clue, is tricky because it does have an E, but guess what? There's no consonant in there in between the U and the E. So we are putting that under the C, V, V because we have two vowels and it ends with the U sound. There is no consonant sound after that. Same as with the word, oh, this is a tricky one, dry over here on the left. Now, Y we know can sometimes act as a vowel, and it is in this case because it's making the I sound. This one might be the trickiest of all, though. Crow, right here in the middle. W is not a vowel, but what I'm hearing at the end when I say crow is I'm hearing the O sound. It's ending with the long vowel sound. that is also going to go in that column of CV and CVV. There might be some tricksters here, so you're going to really want to pay attention when you do your sort. I'm going to be coming around. If there is a word you happen to not know the meaning of, please raise your hand and I will come right over and help you out. Happy sorting!